Hello, subscribers of my channel scored this video. In this video with you we will learn how to install a distributor. Any design in principle, at least contact and non-contact ignition systems on Zhiguli cars. In order to perform this operation, we, in principle, do not need to move anything personally, by and large, and that's all well. To do this quickly without the eye and for everyone to enjoy it, we will still need a special key. Which, by the way, I don't have, but we can do without it by simply unscrewing the spark plugs. And so the essence of the operation is to install trampled in such a way that appeared low and in the cylinder exactly at the moment when the compression occurred in the cylinders. Before the working stroke, that is, it is easiest to install the distributor according to the first or fourth cylinder. Since on the Kiwi we have a pulley on the crankshaft pulley, there are marks marked that indicate TDC 14 price U. Should know first of all this moment the electric current is transmitted to the carriers from this place, not from this, but precisely from this. The one that is closer to the edge is located on the cover of the distributor. There are contacts to which this is transmitted. The most electric current, and you can see them there. They are 4 pieces respectively for each cylinder. Their contact is all here on top. The cylinders are labeled, well, that is, here is a 1, which means the first cylinder 2 2 3 4. The order goes wrong, that is, 1 3 4 2 on Zhiguli for all, so this order is stamped here on the head of the heads one you want in. Urgent, at least some are the same, and this inscription will be everywhere. Here's the order of how the filters work. First 3 4 2. What we do, we determine in which one. In short, we set it according to the mark. It will not be enough because Colin was. There will be marks in 2 cases when in the cylinder, in the first and fourth. In the first I cut off, not now on the first cylinder. Look and say if the first cylinder can be either working like this, that is, like compression, or like purge. We need so compression in order to find out when compression will occur here. So compression can, in principle, remove the cover and align the mark again on the camshaft, but then it will be on the 4th cylinder, so compression will be on the 4th cylinder. If not, I will match on the sprocket mark. Camshaft and well-aimed crankshaft with a cover means 4 cylinder, but since we are not looking for easy ways, we are with you now. Let's take it and find out when the compression will happen here. For this it will be enough to unscrew the spark plug and twist in. Turn the engines at the moment when there is resistance here, as if air pressure. This will take place and will be ours. Arc compression stroke. So after we have done this, we need to take a piece of toilet paper. Take a piece of toilet paper and make a chopper like this. It means you do the chop, don't overdo it. It's so cool there. Because it can't help but push out if the compression is bad and the breasts are not the starter. And pay attention, I will turn for a long time. I'm not too afraid that it will jump out and I'll miss. Look, it knocked out our chop. This means the cylinder has most likely not reached top dead center yet. So guys, if you need to look carefully, here it is. Here you can see the tide now. The metal here hasn't reached that much, but for these marks here are our marks. 3 marks here. 1 clay 2 short marks. The first long mark corresponds to 0. Ignition timing corresponds to 0 degrees. 2 mark 5 3 dissident give. Now let's adjust it on the scale. Look when it's unscrewed. These same candles were basically turned quite easily, so you can do it this way. It's easy to turn your hands either forward or backward after we adjusted the crankshaft to TDC. It turns out we have a mark here, saw a notch here on the inside of the front crankshaft pulley. And on this side the tide is made. You can't go wrong. Only in one place are these marks on the pulley. The veil is on here. We have 3 on the lid, 1 long, 1 suits me, 1 long, 1 corresponds to 0 degrees top dead center first. 4th cylinder 25 degrees no income and 310 degrees. As you can see, the mark on the crankshaft pulley corresponds to 2 short. Marks on the front crankshaft cover, this corresponds to 5 degrees of ignition timing. How this is done? For a car that will run on 92 gasoline, and so what you get is in the first cylinder. After you spit out our piece of paper from there, the Chopik is accordingly here so compressed and we must put out our knife. The distributor has 1 cylinder each, that is, the fire at the moment must slip through in the first light in order to. To do this correctly, it will be enough to estimate the lid. The lids come in 2 directions, as you mark. It happens like here I have it up to 11,342 bytes, on the contrary, the first one's on this side. Be careful, in short, so that I just did this operation more than once in different machines and came across such lids. You said everything seems to be fine. In fact, you adjusted it via the 4th wire and didn't pay attention later. It starts with dancing, this process that people love in general. Watch, install the lid when you die, watch. Here we have the 4th cylinder on this side, respectively, opposite it will be the 1st cylinder. We all conclude that this thing here should be on the 1st cylinder here, that is, in this place we sang. Our distributor, turn on the ignition, then look at what's easy to install, first of all. Color the 1st cylinder here. We will have a 1 on the distributor cover. Turn on the ignition from listen to the sound. When in the direction of travel it moves clockwise. Twitter clicks in this place. Subclasses like this, when the curtain closes, will answer. This is how sparking occurs with paint. Accordingly, in this way, a spark will appear in the 1st cylinder for an hour, but look at what moment it is thus. We shot our distributor so that we could still adjust it before filing, either earlier or later, but usually earlier. You need to do it accordingly so that there is a place to end here. You can also check by installing it on top. On the springboards, place the distributor cap and simply throw 1 spark plug on the 1st cylinder, so to speak, on the wire that is number 1. It comes out, and if you look counterclockwise from I turn the distributor counterclockwise from above, look at it, that is, 2. Cranking the engines comes from the crowd because it's a spark, and you can see it's visible. You can see the city from the media because it's a spark. It slips in this place. You can safely tighten the distributor. It will be the ignition set to 0 under 92. Gasoline, that is, 2 marks per 5 degrees, the ignition advance will occur in theory. In theory, if gasoline meets its stated technical requirements, let's say, everything will work exceptionally well. iPad will not require ignition adjustment, but I want to immediately note all this. In the book we'll say so, but in life you'll most likely have to warm up the car and drive it out into the field, but that's rough. Speaking on the road and already by tapping your fingers, make the ignition advance. The ignition is needed. Make exactly the flow of the type of fuel you drive, but for starting and, in principle, for operating the car already. Such an adjustment will be quite sufficient. The raspberries can be used in the future if anyone is interested, write in the comments, like it, I'll film it for you and how to adjust it in motion. The classes are not difficult for anyone, you don't have to worry too much about it, so watch the video and repair the car. If possible, write comments your self-subscribed channel of the whole house after we have installed everything now. Let's start the car. As you can see, the car starts at half a click, everything works, everything is fine.